model, 2015 Citroen Ds3 Dstyle plus E-hdi spares or repairs will need mechanical attention. Body, black, hatchback. Mileage, 121000. MOT, the 22nd of August 2025. Engine, 1560 cc DV6D BE. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear seat area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest car which has been well looked after. Features: aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, alloy wheels. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740111